Hello children, hope you all are doing well, and today we will solve our exercise 11 and 12 of our topic active passive voice, and in that imperative, let and modals. Let us go through imperative and let. If the sentence is such, then imperative we know that it is command, request, order, right? So if it is such kind of sentence or it begins with let, then what you have to do, take you as the subject hidden. Begin the sentences with let or use should in the sentence. Add be before the verb. Add by subject to object. But if it is with let, then beginning with let, subject will not change. So our format will be let plus subject plus be plus verb in the third form plus by plus object. Let us solve the exercise. Change the following from active to passive voice. Number 1. Shut the door. So shut is our verb, the door is our object. We will start either the sentence with let or we will use should in the sentence. So, let the door be shut by you. Or you can write that the door should be shut by you. Number 2. Throw the garbage in dustbin. So, the answer is let the garbage be thrown by you in dustbin, or the garbage should be thrown in dustbin. Number 3. Let us close the door. So you can see over here the sentence started with let, and we are having subject as verb close and the door object. When you will change this subject to object, it will remain same. It will not change. Okay. So the answer is let the door be closed by us, or the door should be closed by us. Number 4. Let her kill the mouse. So here her is our subject, kill is our verb, the mouse is our object. So our answer will be let the mouse be killed by her, or the mouse should be killed by her. Number 5. Let us sing a song. Us is our subject, sing is our verb, a song is our object. So our answer is let a song be sung by us, or the song should be sung by us. Modals. When modals such as can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, would, will used in a sentence, then what you have to do? Object to subject, add be after modals, main verb in third form, add by, and subject to object. Number 1. We can learn English. So here you can see we is our subject, can is our model, learn is our verb, and English is our object. So after can we will use be, and learn will be in the third form learned, subject to object and object to subject. So we will change to us. So our answer is English can be learnt by us. Number 2. The teacher must check the result. So the teacher is our subject, must is our model, check is our verb, and the result is our object. So the answer is the result must be checked by the teacher. Number 3. We ought to preserve our national heritage. We is our subject, ought to is our model, preserve is our verb, and our national heritage is our object. So our answer is our national heritage ought to be preserved by us. Number 4. Can you prove this law experimentally? Law is our here we can see that can is our model, you is our subject, prove is our verb, this law is our object, and experimentally is our other word. So, can this law be proved by you experimentally? Number 5. How can one tolerate such an insult? How is our question word, can is our model, one is our extra word, tolerate is our verb, such an insult is our object. So, how can such an insult be tolerated by you? So, children, I hope that you have understood this exercise also clearly. Thank you and have a joyful day.